Today I'm going to walk you through the process of installing a brand new dishwasher. First, what we're going to do is uninstall this dishwasher, look at all the components that are in it, and get our new dishwasher ready for install. One thing to consider is sometimes the connections aren't going to be the exact same size, and that's why looking at our user manual and looking at the existing connections will be key to success in this installation process. So now we come to our first step, which is removing the existing dishwasher. Typically, there's going to be brackets that are on top of the dishwasher that are screwed into the bottom of the countertop, and that keeps it in place. So here we actually have two spots where there are screws. What we're going to do is remove these screws. We're going to gently slide out the dishwasher and see what we're working with. There's going to be plumbing going out of this, most likely through the wall here and into the sink and out of the house through the plumbing. So first step is just getting these screws out, getting this guy out, and then to our next step was probably going to be removing turning the water off and then turning the power off and getting this disconnected, but we'll cover that step. So first things first is getting the dishwasher uninstalled and out of the cabinetry. And one thing to remember is always keep the screws, brackets, everything intact and in place, organized, in case you'll need it for the other dishwasher, just in case. All right, so now I can basically just slide it out pretty easily. There's gonna be a lot of gunk, a lot of insulation around it. This dishwasher probably hasn't been changed for years, maybe half a decade or more. So there's probably gonna be a lot of goodies underneath that. So you can see this gorgeous insulation, which actually acts as a sound barrier when it's on properly. Yeah, so as you can see, there's lots of stuff that have just built up underneath this appliance. So we're gonna get this cleaned up and go on to the next step of getting these power lines and water lines taken off.